Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sherry. In today's video I'm going to be doing a quick redo of a bag that I revealed in a couple of videos ago. If you all saw the video with my coach Madison, I did pick up a new one. I got this one from Neiman Marcus. I was very disappointed with how that bag came to me in the mail, and so I went on ahead and purchased a new one that came looking like this, and I'm so excited about how this looks. Now initially I was going to keep that one, but as I shared in that video, I did spend full price for that bag. I paid $3.95 for that bag plus tax, and where I live at, tax is like 10%. And so this was on sale for $276.50 when I bought it, and then like the next day it went on sale to $237. And so I got this from Zappos. I contacted Zappos and asked them to change the price for me, so they did. They lowered it to the $237, and so I got this bag at $237. So I'm so happy to have my brand new bag. Look at her, she's all wrapped up. And since they had this one and the green one on sale, I went on ahead and picked that one up too. So I have that one right here, and I love the pink one so much. I was really curious to see this green one. Now my challenge with this green one is that I kind of already have a bag very similar to this. So I feel like I probably don't need both of these, or I don't need two Coach Madison bags, because I think and actually they are different colors. I wasn't sure what color this is. This is listed as a lime green color, and I have my lighting behind me as natural lighting. It's a window. I don't think this is showing as, yeah, I think it's kind of showing true to color on the camera with some light to it, but it doesn't look as bright in person while I'm looking at it. It has more of a pistachio type of color to it. It's not as lime as I would expect for it to be. Let me get my mini tabby and show you guys the difference in these colors. Alright you guys, so here are the two bags, and this is definitely closer to what I would consider a lime green. If I had to say, okay, so if I had to say this as a lime green, I would say yes, per the inside of like an actual fruit lime. This is the vibe that this is giving me, and this would be, I guess, more of like a neon type of brighter green if I had to really give it some color, you know, example where you all could relay. So this is like a lime green, I guess. Yes, the inside of like a lime, and then this here is more like a little bit of a neon type of, it's a light green color. Okay, and so I wasn't sure if I wanted to get this and have this. They are different colors, but I don't feel like I need both these green bags. I feel like they would compete in my wardrobe, and I wouldn't wear them as often. So I'm probably going to send this one back, but I wanted to get this in person just to see how it looked. It is really cute though, you guys. But it's got the silver hardware, and I have enough. This one has silver hardware. I'm not a big fan of silver hardware on bags. I do have a few with silver, but it's not my thing. So just wanted to show you all. But this one will be going back, so we will not be unwrapping her, but I'll put her back and mail her back to Zappos. Alright you guys, so let's get back to business of my Coach Madison and the 18 size in this beautiful Petunia color, and you can see that coming across camera. That is pretty much how it looks in person when the light hits it. Now, I'm going to show you all my Chanel mini rectangular bag. This is the bag in question. I do have the felt material on it to protect it. I bought this bag first in, I think it was December or January of this year. And I did share in that video, this does have silver hardware. There we go. And it has silver on the chain. I've shared before, I'm not a big silver hardware type of girl, but this bag became available and I jumped on it. I got it for a really good price because it had went down on sale on Fashion Files website. It was in brand new condition, came with the box, came with everything on this bag, so I jumped on it. But this is essentially the color that I would have liked for this Chanel bag to be in, along with the gold hardware. And so let me show you another bag that I purchased because I did want to have one with silver hardware and one with gold hardware. Now this is the reason why I did not keep the YSL bag, because I felt like that color was too dark for what I wanted. And I already have a shade of pink like that for this bag, so I didn't feel like I needed that YSL bag and this bag. They would be competing and I would always go for this bag first over the YSL bag. But nonetheless, here I'm going to get my other Coach Nolita 19 and show you guys the different colorways of these bags. Alright guys, so here is my Coach Nolita 19. I do keep this styrofoam or whatever material it is on the chain because this is Napa leather along with this. And what I've noticed even with my Chanel bag is that this chain does cause indents in the material if it's resting on the material, or if anyway something is leaning against this material, it will dent the material. It's very fragile material, so I try to keep everything wrapped up on the bag so that it doesn't cause any creases or unnecessary dings and dents in the bag that I would definitely have like a blemish issue with the bag. So I always keep it wrapped up when I'm not using it, but you can get a feel for those two colors right there. This one is very dark. This one is actually probably a little bit closer to that YSL bag that I had. This one is like the exact color of it, and so I didn't feel like I needed that and this. And so let me get my Chanel bag and put these together and show you guys like these colors together. So there's the Coach Madison, there's the Chanel. It has more of a strawberry color to it, not so much as raspberry. It's not as dark as the raspberry, but I would say that this is definitely closer to like a dark pink right there. Okay, and so comparing these two, I have to say this bag is real Chanel-esque, you guys. It's very soft, very plush like my Chanel bag. Of course, obviously this is lambskin and this is Napa leather. The leather is still fragile regardless, and it is still very buttery soft and smooth. What I like about this bag, I think that Coach put the color on this bag, and even on the green one I'm noticing that the color of the leather was done very nicely. What I've noticed on my little mini tabby is that the green color is not on there as well, and there are some spots where it's lighter or it's just not consistent around the bag. But on this one it is very nice and consistent. And there's a shot of, let me turn it this way. Here's a shot to compare to show you how these two fare in size. So you can see like this bag is very comparable, you guys, to a Chanel rectangular mini. Now obviously the shape is not the same, but when you look at the size of these bags, they are very comparable. Like the width of the bags are so similar, you guys. Like if you really wanted to not pay this Chanel price but get something that would really be of luxurious quality, I would definitely say go for this bag. And the color for me on this bag is definitely a winner over this bag. You still have to treat this bag with care just like you would have to this bag, but the price point on this one, and also the fact that this has gold hardware, is a winner for me. So you can see that silver hardware for the Chanel CC and the gold for the Coach they both have a turn lock. Alright, so very similar bags. I definitely have to say Coach really did a bang up job on this one. Great job, Coach, on this bag. I love it, and honestly I could foresee myself selling this one to keep this one, you guys. So really I actually thought about that, and like I was like, maybe I could possibly get rid of this since silver is just not my thing. I would rather have the gold. So in the future I could see myself actually selling this maybe back to fashion file, I don't know. But I wanted to give you the little comparison of these two. If you want to see like what it holds, I can come back and do like a future video on that. But this was just showing you kind of like my reveal of my new one, like a redo of my unboxing, and just show you like a little mini comparison of this Chanel bag. Due to the size, I do feel like they would hold the exact same things. And this one would give, they're both, with it being lambskin, they both could stretch a little bit, but this one's definitely a winner for me, guys. Alright, you guys, that is it for this video. If you have any questions about any of these items in this video, definitely leave it down below. Please subscribe. Check out my other videos. Thank you to my faithful subscribers who are still here. Welcome to my new subscribers. I am almost at 3,000 subscribers. Please click that button so we can continue to grow. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video. Alrighty, bye.